Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're making refined sugar-free healthy oatmeal banana bread. We're going to need 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 190 grams oat flour, 60 milliliters refined vegetable oil, half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and if you like you can add 30 grams chocolate chips or walnuts and 3 tablespoons maple syrup. We're going to start by adding our bananas into a large bowl, and then we're going to mash them with a fork. Now we're going to add the eggs, oil, and maple syrup if you're using, and whisk to combine. Now we're adding the flour, spices, walnuts, and chocolate chips if you're using them, and folding them in. Now line your loaf tin and add in the batter. Smooth it out and then bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 50 to 55 minutes. Let it cool and then slice it. Enjoy!